Welcome learners to Form 3 Mathematics. I would like us to look at this question, learners, to do with the probability. The question is, the probability that John visits Masai Mara is 3/5. If he visits Masai Mara, the probability that he sees a lion is 7/8. If he does not visit Masai Mara, the probability that he sees a lion is 1/10. Then find the probability that A, he will visit Masai Mara and see a lion. He will not visit, yet he will see a lion. And C, he will see a lion. Okay, how do we go about this, learner? We draw what we call a tree diagram. Look at this, learner. We draw a tree diagram. We start with John. All this is to do with John. So let us abbreviate John with J. So we say John visits Masai Mara. Let us use V for visiting Masai Mara. So the probability that John visits Masai Mara, according to the question here, learner, is 3/5. You come and fix it here. Look at that. The probability that John visits Masai Mara is 3/5. So what is the probability that he does not visit? We fix here V with a prime there. So let this stand for visiting Masai Mara, and V with a prime here to stand for not visiting. So learner, if the probability of visiting is 3/5, what is the probability here of not visiting Masai Mara? The two probabilities should add up to 1. And therefore you talk of 1, learner, look at this, minus 3/5. 1 minus 3/5. 1 minus 3/5, learner, gives you 2/5. And so that is the probability of not visiting Masai Mara. We are through with visiting and not visiting. We move on with our question, learner. If he visits Masai Mara, the probability that he sees a lion is 7/8. Look at this. If he visits, you go to this, you go to the V. If he visits Masai Mara, the probability that he sees, let us abbreviate this with S, he sees a lion is 7/8. Look at that, learner. If he visits and see a lion, the probability is 7/8. What is the probability? You come here and say, what is the probability that he does not see a lion? Not seeing, we put S with a prime. Look at that, learner. Seeing a lion, not seeing. So not seeing will be what? Again, these two add up to 1. So you say 1 minus 7/8 gives you 1/8. Good. That is the probability of not seeing a lion. We go to the next sentence. If he does not visit Masai Mara, the probability that he sees a lion is 1/10. If he does not visit, we go to this one, learner. We go to V prime. Here we are. If he does not visit Masai Mara, according to the question, so we are here, learner, the probability that he sees a lion is 1/10. If he does not visit, the probability that he sees a lion is 1/10. You come and fix it there. The probability that he does not visit and he sees is 1/10. So you ask yourself, what is the probability that he does not see? He does not visit and he does not see. So what is the probability that he does not see? Again, this and this add up to 1. And therefore 1 minus 1/10, learner, gives you 9/10. There we are. And therefore this is what we call a tree diagram, learner. I hope you can see it clearly. So from there, you get the outcomes. Come and do like this. You see, this is VS, visits and sees a lion. V S prime. Visits and does not see a lion. We come to this. V prime S. Another outcome. V prime S. He does not visit, yet he sees a lion. We come to this branch here, or root. You come and say V prime S prime. He does not visit and he does not see a lion. Good. From there, learner, we go to our first question here. What is it? We are told that find the probability that he will visit, so V, he will visit and see a lion. Look at this learner. Find the probability that he will visit and see a lion. So VS, he will visit and see a lion. VS, where is that? It is here. He will visit and see a lion. Look at that, learner. So it is the probability of VS. So how do you get this, learner? You come here and follow the root. VS, this root here. So this is 3 over 5 times 7 over 8. 3 over 5, learner, times 7 over 8. Look at that. You just follow the root. VS. So you multiply. So you get 21 out of 40. And that is the probability. We go to the second question, learner. The second question reads how? Find the probability that he will not visit. Look at this, learner. He will not visit, yet he will see a lion. So we are talking about V prime and S. He will not visit and he will see. So V prime and S. V prime and S. Where is that? V prime is here and S. He will not visit, yet he sees. So you talk of probability of V prime S, learner. There we are. So you follow the root. V prime S, look at this. V prime S, this is the branch here. So you talk of 2 over 5 times 1 over 10. 2 over 5 times 1 over 10, learner. You can cancel out this. By this is 5, and therefore you get 1 over 25 is the probability. We go to the last part, learner. Part C. Look at this, part C. You are told, find the probability that he will see a lion. He will see. Whether he visits, he will see. If he does not visit, he will see. So seeing, where is seeing? Where is our S? Here it is. We have an S here, learner. He will visit and see. Here he will not see. Here he will not visit and see. So this is another one. Here he will not visit, he will not see. So we use these two outcomes. So maybe I can write it here, learner. Part C. So it is the probability of visiting and seeing, or the probability of, look at this, not visiting and seeing. Like that, learner. So VS, where is it? We follow the branch. Here it is. VS. 3 over 5 times 7 over 8. 3 over 5, learner, times 7 over 8. There we are. Then OR means you add. Once you come across OR in probability, add. You go to V prime S. Where is the branch? V prime S. 2 over 5. Look at that. 2 over 5, learner, times 1 over 10. There we are. And therefore this gives you what? 21, learner. 21 over 40 plus 2 over 50, or you can simplify to get 1 over 25. We had them here. So adding these two, learner, you should add up with what? 113 over 200. 113 over 200. So learner, go and practice on how to make tree diagrams in probability that help you to solve the questions that follow very, very easily. Otherwise, God bless you very much. Good.